Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, kindly subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by. Please don't forget to like, comment and share. So today's video is on how to stone your Ankara fabric at home. You don't need to have the stoning machine, or you don't have to also use fabric glue to attach them one after the other, because that takes a lot of time. So I'll show you how to do it at home. So firstly, I like to iron the fabric, the portion of the fabric that I want to stone. It's actually more easier to work with instead of working with the rumpled and bumpy fabric. So I like to iron it down so the surface that I'm working with is smooth and nice. So after ironing and achieving a smooth surface, the next thing you want to do is to place your stones on your fabric. If you're using a less busy pattern fabric, you might want to stone according to the pattern, but the fabric I'm using here is very busy, so I'm placing the stones randomly. And the right way to place the stone is just to place the reverse of the shiny part on the fabric, and that's what I'm doing here. After arranging the stones, the next thing you want to do is to go in with a clean handkerchief and then sprinkle water. If you have a spray bottle, you can use your spray bottle, but here I'm using my hands to sprinkle water. Just make sure the handkerchief is a little damp. Just sprinkle water, sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. That's what I'm doing here. Then you put your iron on it, your hot iron. You place it on the fabric. So here the stones are arranged already on the fabric, so all I'm doing is to place my handkerchief on it, and I'm using water to make the handkerchief damp just like I did before. And I just placed the iron. When you place the iron, you want to leave it for 2 to 3 minutes before you lift it up. So basically you want to repeat the same process for all parts of the fabric. Arrange the stones, sprinkle water over the handkerchief and place your iron on it and leave it for about 2 to 3 minutes. So that's what I'm doing here again. You don't want to touch the fabric immediately you take out the iron, because the iron has transferred heat energy to the stones, and the stones can hurt you if you touch them. So you wait for it to cool down and you can just check that what you did is in place. So here I'm using my finger to rub against the stones. You can see how firm they are. So this is the finished product. You can see how cute it looks. Stoning your Ankara fabric can literally elevate the way your Ankara outfit looks. Thanks for watching, and if you're yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment and share. See you on my next video. Bye.